Thomas Cruise Mapother IV, born July 3, 1962, is an American actor and film producer. Regarded as a Hollywood icon, he has received various accolades, including an honorary Palme d'Or and 3 Golden Globe Awards, in addition to nominations for 4 Academy Awards. As of 2025, his films have grossed over $13.3 billion worldwide, placing him among the highest-grossing actors of all time. One of Hollywood's most bankable stars, he is consistently one of the world's highest-paid actors. Cruise began acting in the early 1980s and made his breakthrough with leading roles in Risky Business 1983 and Top Gun 1986, the latter earning him a reputation as a sex symbol. Critical acclaim came with his roles in the dramas The Color of Money 1986, Rain Man 1988, and Born on the 4th of July 1989. For his portrayal of Ron Kovic in the latter, he won a Golden Globe Award and received a nomination for the Academy Award for Best Actor. As a leading Hollywood star in the 1990s, he starred in commercially successful films, including the drama A Few Good Men 1992, the thriller The Firm 1993, the horror film Interview with the Vampire 1994, and the sports comedy drama Jerry Maguire 1996. For the latter, he won a Golden Globe Award for Best Actor and his second nomination for the Academy Award for Best Actor. Cruise's performance in the drama Magnolia 1999 earned him another Golden Globe Award and a nomination for the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor. Cruise subsequently established himself as a star of science fiction and action films, often performing his own risky stunts. He played fictional agent Ethan Hunt in 8 Mission Impossible films, beginning with Mission Impossible 1996 and ending with Mission Impossible: The Final Reckoning 2025. Cruise holds the Guinness World Record for the most consecutive $100 million grossing movies, a feat achieved with 7 films released between 2011 and 2018. In December 2024, he was awarded the U.S. Navy's highest civilian honor, the Distinguished Public Service Award, in recognition of his outstanding contributions to the military with his screen roles. In March 2025, he was named the recipient of the British Film Institute Fellowship, the BFI's highest honor, for his contributions to cinema. Forbes ranked him as the world's most powerful celebrity in 2006. He was named People's Sexiest Man Alive in 1990 and received the top honor of Most Beautiful People in 1997. Outside his film career, Cruise has been an outspoken advocate for the Church of Scientology, which has resulted in controversy and scrutiny of his involvement in the organization. An aviation enthusiast, he has held a pilot certificate since 1994. Cruz was born on July 3, 1962, in Syracuse, New York, to electrical engineer Thomas Cruz Mapother III, 1934 to 1984, and special education teacher Mary Lee. His parents were both from Louisville, Kentucky, and had English, German, and Irish ancestry. Cruz has 3 sisters named Leanne, Marion, and Cass. One of his cousins, William Mapother, is also an actor who has appeared alongside Cruz in 5 films. Cruz splits his time between homes in Beverly Hills, California, Clearwater, Florida, and the south of England, where he has lived in various places such as central London, Dulwich, East Grinstead, and Biggin Hill. In the early to mid-1980s, Cruz had relationships with Melissa Gilbert, Rebecca de Mornay, Patty Sholfa, and Cher. Cruz married actress Mimi Rogers on May 9, 1987. They divorced on February 4, 1990. Rogers had grown up in Scientology and was one of its auditors. They met when Cruz became one of her clients. In a 1993 Playboy interview, Rogers discussed her split from Cruz and said that he had been considering becoming a monk, which affected their intimacy. Rogers later retracted the comments and claimed she had been misinterpreted. According to a friend of Rogers, Tom, his agents, and certain studios were furious about what Mimi said in Playboy. She was told in no uncertain terms that her career would be over unless she put things right. Rogers received a $4 million divorce settlement. Cruz met his second wife, actress Nicole Kidman, on the set of their film Days of Thunder 1990. The couple married on December 24, 1990. They adopted 2 children, Isabella Jane, born 1992, and Connor Anthony, born 1995. On February 5, 2001, the couple's spokesperson announced their separation. Cruz filed for divorce 2 days later, and their marriage was dissolved later that year, with Cruz citing irreconcilable differences. Kidman stated that their marriage failed because at the time, she was a child who needed to grow up. According to former church spokesperson and board member Mike Rinder, the Church of Scientology used various means to push the couple to break up, including pressuring Cruz into more auditing and tapping Kidman's phone. In a 2007 interview with Marie Claire, Kidman noted the incorrect reporting of a miscarriage early in her marriage. It was wrongly reported as miscarriage by everyone who picked up the story. So it's huge news, and it didn't happen. I had a miscarriage at the end of my marriage, but I had an ectopic pregnancy at the beginning of my marriage. Cruz was next romantically linked with Penelope Cruz, his co-star in Vanilla Sky 2001. Their 3-year relationship ended in 2004. An article in the October 2012 issue of Vanity Fair stated that several sources have said that after the breakup with Cruz, Scientologist leaders launched a secret project to find Cruz a new girlfriend. According to those sources, a series of auditions of Scientologist actresses resulted in a short-lived relationship with Iranian-British actress Nazanin Boniai, who subsequently left Scientology. Scientology and Cruz's lawyers issued strongly worded denials and threatened to sue, accusing Vanity Fair of shoddy journalism and religious bigotry. Journalist Roger Friedman later reported that he received an email from director and ex-Scientologist Paul Haggis confirming the story. In April 2005, Cruz began dating actress Katie Holmes. On April 27th that year, Cruz and Holmes, dubbed Tomcat by the media, made their first public appearance together in Rome. A month later, Cruz publicly declared his love for Holmes on The Oprah Winfrey Show. He jumped on Winfrey's yellow couch and stood there to make the announcement. On October 6, 2005, Cruz and Holmes announced they were expecting a child. In April 2006, their daughter Suri was born. On November 18th, Holmes and Cruz were married at the 15th century Castle Castello Asiniadiscalchi in Bracciana in a Scientologist ceremony attended by many Hollywood stars. Their publicist said the couple had officialized their marriage in Los Angeles the day before the Italian ceremony. There has been widespread speculation that their marriage was arranged by Church of Scientology. David Miscavige, the head of Scientology, served as Cruz's best man. On June 29, 2012, Holmes filed for divorce from Cruz. On July 9th, the couple signed a divorce settlement worked out by their lawyers. New York law requires all divorce documents remain sealed, so the exact terms of the settlement are not publicly available. Cruz stated that ex-wife Katie Holmes divorced him in part to protect the couple's daughter Suri from Scientology, and that Suri is no longer a practicing member of the organization. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.